In Beijing, Typhoon Doksuri wreaked havoc, turning roads into rivers. Record rainfall swept across away cars and signs, leaving the city of nearly 22 million distressed. 2 lives lost, hundreds trapped, 500,000 evacuated in Fujian. The Philippines also suffered from Doksuri's deadly impact. Over 85,000 square miles affected, 130 million at risk. Climate change alarming toll. A red alert for Beijing and Typhoon Khanun approaches. China braces for more severe weather. The call for collective action and environmental legislation grows louder as the nation faces the test of resilience in the face of nature's fury.